Do you guys like my eye look? I'm gonna teach you guys how I did it.
Using my Huda Beauty Empowered palette, the first color is Rebel. I'm going to be using this as a base color and apply it with a fluffy blending brush all over my eyelid. The next is called Power. I'm going to apply it on the inner corners of my eye just to brighten my eyes up and blend it into my eyelid. The next color that I'm going to be using is called Keep Going, and this is going to be my transition color, and I'm going to blend it up to my brow bone. The next one is called Bold Moves, and this is my glitter. This color is stunning, you guys. I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid, and it's so magical, so beautiful. The texture is so different. I love it. I'm going to be applying it on the center of my eyelids and towards the inner corner. The other one is called Confident, and this is my dark shade. I just wanted a little smoke in my eye look, so I'm just going to add it on the corners of the V shape of my eye, and I'm going to blend it with this color called Winner. It's this beautiful gray tone, and I'm just going to blend these two colors on the outside of my eyes. So make sure that everything is blended well, and I'm going to add my eye wing, and I really like to extend it to the inner corners of my eye, and I like to add my kajal, and I'm going to also tight line my eyes. I'm going to use Confident and just smoke out my lower lash line. I really like a good smoked out lower lash line, and then I'm going to pick up the color Keep Going and then blend everything seamlessly on my under eyes. I'm going to add my kajal on top of my eye wing because I don't want it to be like shiny or anything. I want it to be smoked out. So I'm just like blending everything together. I'm going to just curl my lashes, apply some mascara, and this look is complete. I hope you guys are in love with it as much as I'm with it.